In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a private Discord server. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and click the Add a Server Plus icon in the server list on the left side of the screen. When the prompt appears, choose Create My Own or the option to create a new server. Give your server a clear and recognizable name, then click Create. By default, your new Discord server isn't publicly discoverable. People generally need an invite to join, so avoid sharing your invite link publicly if you want to keep the server limited to people you trust. Next, let's configure the server's permissions. Open your server, click the server name at the top, and select Server Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Roles. Roles control what members can see and do inside your server. Select the @Everyone role and review its permissions. To make the server more restrictive, pay particular attention to View Channels. You can disable this permission for @Everyone so that members without an approved role won't automatically have access to your channels. You can then assign this role only to members you approve. You can also configure individual channel permissions if you want certain channels to be visible only to specific roles or groups of members. Take a moment to review your permissions carefully. Make sure regular members can't access administrative settings or channels that should remain private. Once you're satisfied with your setup, save or apply any changes that Discord prompts you to confirm. Remember, invite-only access and channel permissions work together. The invite controls who can enter the server, while roles and channel permissions control what members can see and do after they join. That's it. Create your server, keep your invite link private, configure the @Everyone permissions, create approved member roles, and adjust channel access as needed. And that's how to make a private Discord server. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.